bit. I know the bit. I know the. Whoa! Whoa! D!
There you go. No, we're not. Let's go ahead and get this. We're doing this, man.
I don't know what was worse, the fact that I screamed like that or the way that you talked.
That's a good introduction. What do you guys think?
That is a very good introduction. Shit! Oh my god! Ow!
Help. Okay, I'll get the shoe. Okay, hold that crow. I really enjoy that you're having all the time of your life right now. Dum dum.
Okay. Nice job! At least I got 2 good guns.
Yeah, here, I got an epic clap.
What is it
Collar.
called?
That's the kill. Nice hits, okay? Alright, thanks. You guys gotta impregnate that like button for me.
Why?